From backyard gardening to backcountry survival, the right axe can change everything. These axes and hatchets are built for cutting, chopping, and conquering any terrain. Let's break it down blade by blade. All these products' links are in the description below. Number 20. Purple Dragon Hatchet. Compact yet powerful tool, perfect for bushcraft, chopping firewood, or preparing kindling. Its 4.7-inch high-carbon steel blade features a 20 degrees bevel and convex grind, offering excellent edge retention and clean cuts. The ergonomic beechwood handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use, while the overall 16-inch length makes it easy to pack and carry. Durable and dependable, this hatchet comes with a genuine leather sheath for safe storage and transport. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or a casual camper, this axe is built to perform and impress. Number 19. Gerber Gear Hatchet. Compact yet tough. The Gerber Pack Hatchet packs a 3.5-inch black oxide-coated steel blade with a tall grind for razor-sharp performance and long-lasting edge retention. Its full-tang construction and rubber over-mold handle, complete with finger grooves, provide unmatched strength, control, and comfort during every swing. At just 9.46 inches long and 20.8 ounces, additional design touches like a lanyard hole and removable nylon sheath elevate its convenience in the wild. It's purpose-built for portability, ideal for camping, hiking, hunting, or survival. Number 18. Freelander Tactical Axe. It's built for serious outdoor use, featuring a reinforced handle that resists breakage under heavy stress. Its sharp, durable blade ensures clean, efficient cuts, perfect for chopping wood or handling survival tasks. Compact and easy to carry, it fits seamlessly in your backpack or clips to your gear for quick access. This multifunctional tool combines a chopping blade, hammerhead, hex wrench, bottle opener, and climbing carabiner. Whether you're camping, hiking, or in an emergency, it's a rugged, all-in-one outdoor essential. Number 17. Estwing Camper's Axe. Versatile tool, ideal for chopping logs, branches, and splitting firewood, making it essential for campers. Its patented shock reduction grip reduces impact vibration by 70%, providing superior comfort and control during extended use. Forged from a single piece of solid American steel, this axe offers exceptional durability without weak points from welds or castings. The hand-sharpened 4-inch blade comes protected by a heavy-duty ballistic nylon sheath with a belt loop for easy carrying. Built to withstand rugged conditions, it's a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. Number 16. Ccanku C1342 Camping Axe. It's a full-tang, multifunctional tool designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Its 4.3-inch DC53 steel blade delivers exceptional edge retention and cutting power, while the ergonomic micarta handle ensures a secure grip even in wet conditions. The included rugged sheath provides safe storage and easy access during your adventures. This versatile axe is perfect for chopping, splitting, and bushcraft tasks, making it an indispensable companion for camping, hiking, and survival situations. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, it's a reliable choice for any outdoor activity. Number 15. Bushcraft Axe. This versatile and durable outdoor tool is designed for camping, bushcraft, woodworking, and gardening tasks. It features a full-tang 1066 carbon steel blade that provides maximum strength. The axe has an ergonomic walnut handle treated with Danish oil for moisture resistance, featuring a lanyard hole for secure handling. It comes with a leather sheath that includes a belt loop for convenient carrying. With a total length of 9.2 inches and a weight of 17.2 ounces, it is compact and portable. The blade holds a sharp edge well and is easy to sharpen, while the full-tang construction ensures durability for demanding outdoor activities. Number 14. THRWCLUB Throwing Axe. It's a precision-crafted tool designed for both recreational and competitive axe throwing. Its 16.5-inch length and 3.9-inch flat blade are forged from durable 1065 high-carbon steel, ensuring sharpness and longevity. The beechwood handle offers a comfortable grip, enhancing control and accuracy during throws. With a top-heavy weight distribution, this axe achieves optimal rotation, making it ideal for hitting targets consistently. Sold in a set of 2, it provides excellent value for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 13. BeaverCraft AX3. It's a Bushcraft splitting hatchet is a meticulously crafted tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and woodworkers. Its high-carbon steel blade, featuring a convex grind, ensures deep cuts and excellent edge retention. The ergonomic ashwood handle, treated with linseed oil and wax, offers a comfortable grip and durability. This compact hatchet comes with a high-quality cowhide leather sheath, providing safe storage and easy portability. Whether you're camping, hiking, or engaging in bushcraft activities, the AX3 is a reliable companion for your outdoor adventures. Number 12. Szco Survival Axe. This 16.25-inch survival axe features a 14.5-inch handle and a 5-inch stainless steel blade with a 1.75x 0.75-inch hammerback, offering an excellent balance of cutting power and utility. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the blade is built tough for edge retention, rust resistance, and long-lasting durability. The premium ABS handle includes ergonomic grooves and a well-balanced design for comfortable, efficient handling. A durable nylon sheath is included for safe storage and easy portability. Perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, or survival scenarios, this tomahawk is a versatile and dependable tool for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 11. WICING Hatchet. This compact 8-inch hatchet is a versatile tool perfect for carving, light chopping, or even as a unique collectible. Featuring a 3.6-inch blade made from durable 1065 manganese steel, it offers excellent edge retention and precision. The beechwood handle ensures a comfortable, controlled grip, ideal for extended use with minimal fatigue. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver for detailed tasks. The set includes a leather sheath and axe sharpener, making it a practical and well-rounded addition to any outdoor or tool collection. Number 10. SULKADA Tactical Hatchet. This hatchet is forged from a single piece of 3CR13 stainless steel with a stone-washed finish, delivering strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. With an overall length of 10.5 inches and weighing just 1.2 pounds, it's compact yet powerful. The 3.2-inch cutting-edge handles chopping, splitting, and trimming with ease. A built-in hex wrench adds functionality, while the anti-slip handle ensures a secure grip. It comes complete with a ballistic nylon sheath for safe, convenient carry on any outdoor adventure. Ideal for camping, yard work, and survival tasks. Number 9. TIVOLI Camping Axe. Compact powerhouse designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Its high-carbon steel blade ensures sharpness and durability. The ergonomic wood handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Integrated hex wrench slots add versatility, allowing for quick adjustments on the go. Encased in a durable nylon sheath, this axe is both portable and safe to carry, making it a must-have tool for hiking, camping, and hunting, chopping, splitting, and bushcraft tasks. Number 8. Prandi Axe. Features a robust 2.65 pounds, 1200 G, head with dual cutting edges, designed for precision and durability in throwing applications. Its 25.6-inch hickory handle offers a balanced grip, enhancing control and accuracy during throw-on standards. Ideal for competitive axe throwing or as a collector's piece, it stands out with its distinctive design and quality construction. Whether you're honing your skills or displaying it as a unique decor item, this axe delivers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 7. Camillus CAMTRAX 3-in-1 Hatchet. This hatchet combines a 2.75-inch hatchet blade, a lockback folding saw, and a hammer into a single, compact tool. Its 12-inch glass-filled nylon handle offers durability and a secure grip. Designed for versatility, the integrated saw and hammer enhance its utility, making it a practical addition to any outdoor gear. A molded sheath provides safe storage and easy access. It's ideal for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Number 6. Wood Splitting Axe. Compact and lightweight survival axe is designed for tactical chopping and gardening tasks, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance in various conditions, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. The axe's sharp blade allows for efficient cutting. Its portable size makes it easy to carry in your gear, ensuring you're always prepared for any situation. Whether you're hiking, camping, or engaging in bushcraft activities, This axe offers versatility and reliability for all your outdoor needs. Number 5. Gransfors Bruks Outdoor Axe. Compact yet highly functional tool designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. It features a 2.5-inch cutting face forged with precision, offering exceptional sharpness and durability for tasks like kindling, carving, and light splitting. The axe is fitted with a 14.75-inch hickory handle, which provides a comfortable grip and balanced swing. Weighing only around 1 pound, it's lightweight enough for backpacking or hiking trips without sacrificing effectiveness. Included with the axe is a full-grain leather sheath for safe storage and transport. Number 4. Fiskars X27 Splitting Axe. High-performance tool designed for effortlessly splitting medium to large logs. Its long 36-inch handle provides maximum power with every swing, especially ideal for taller users who need extended leverage. The axe head is crafted from hardened forged steel and features a beveled, convex blade geometry that drives deeper into wood and helps split it more efficiently. The durable fiber comp handle is lightweight, yet virtually unbreakable. It also includes a textured grip for improved control and safety. Designed for power, precision, and long-term use, the X27 comes with a protective sheath and is backed by a lifetime warranty, making it a reliable companion for heavy-duty wood splitting. Number 3. LIANTRAL Survival Axe. Versatile 18-inch multi-tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it combines a hatchet, hammer, screwdriver, knife, whistle, fire starter, and more into a compact, foldable design. It comes with a nylon sheath for safe storage and easy portability. This multifunctional tool is ideal for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness, offering convenience and reliability in one package. Whether you're setting up camp or handling unexpected situations, this multi-tool is a practical addition to your gear. Number 2. Two-handed Viking Axe. Made from high-carbon 1095 steel, the semi-razor-sharp bearded blade is hardened to 55 to 58 Rockwell and securely fastened using traditional wedge-in pin assembly. The handle is carved from aged teak wood, wrapped in thick leather, and etched with Norse runes, offering both durability and authentic medieval aesthetics. Measuring 24 inches in length and weighing around 2 pounds, it includes a sheath and forged iron wall mounts for display. Number 1. Gardening Pickaxe. It is a compact and multifunctional gardening tool designed for efficiency and ease of use in various outdoor tasks. Combining a pickaxe on one side and a chopping blade on the other, it's ideal for weeding, loosening soil, digging, and light wood splitting. Made entirely of stainless steel, the tool offers durability and rust resistance, while its detachable wooden handle features a non-slip, ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. Measuring about 15 inches in length and weighing under a pound, it's lightweight enough for extended use without fatigue. The detachable design also makes it easy to store or transport, making it a practical addition to any gardener's toolkit. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.